I'm Mona with the tip of the week. Today I just wanted to talk to you about the germ of garlic. So, garlic has a season, which is usually spring into late summer and early fall. After that, it's stored. Of course, there's some grown in greenhouses, etc. But as garlic ages, it starts to sprout, making new garlics, and you get the germ, or this little green piece. So the question is what to do it. It is safe to eat. It's basically just the new garlic forming, but it's quite chemically, it's got a very bitter taste. With that said, when we cook with it, it doesn't really affect it once it's cooked. So if you're going to use your garlic raw, you want to take the germ out. All you need to do is cut your clove in half, and then with your paring knife, just pick it right out, and then pull that right out, and just same thing. So I'm just going to use my paring knife, pull it out, and then just pull that green germ out. So if you're using it raw in salad dressings or something like that, you want to take that germ out because it will give you a very bittery, kind of a hot, unpleasant garlicky taste. If you're going to be cooking with it, the heat will actually break down the chemicals that are in that germ. So if you're going to be cooking this in a roasted chicken or in a chili or spaghetti sauce, the cooking process is going to break down the chemicals that give it the bitter taste. So you don't have to bother doing that. If you're making a chicken with 40 cloves of garlic, you don't have to worry about that. So that's the tip of the week, how to use how to deal with the germ of garlic. Thanks, and have a great day.